If one was to travel the complete extent of India from its northern frontiers to its southernmost tip, you would see some very fascinating geographical features, from mountains to plains, from deserts to plateaus and coastal plains to islands. Click each highlighted tab in the map to learn more. The Himalayan range has some of the highest mountains in the world. The Himalayas are so called since their peaks are covered with snow for most parts of the year. The Himalayan range is divided into 3 main parallel ranges: Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, and Outer Himalayas known as Shivaliks. The northern plains, also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains, are formed by the deposition of alluvium brought down by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The northern plains are largely flat and have fertile alluvial soil deposited by these rivers, making them ideal for the cultivation of crops. The Peninsular Plateau is triangular in shape. It is bordered by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest. To the west of the plateau lie the Western Ghats or the Sahyadris, while the east is bordered by the Eastern Ghats. Important ranges in this region include the Vindhyas and the Satpuras. The important rivers flowing through these ranges are Narmada and Tapi. This region is rich in minerals. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. This dry, barren stretch of land receives little rainfall, and as a result, it has a sparse vegetative cover. The coastal plains include the Western Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plain that lies to the west of the Western Ghats is narrow. The Eastern Coastal Plain lying to the east of the Eastern Ghats is broader. Some of the rivers flowing through the Eastern Coastal Plains are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri that drain the terrain. As these rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal, they form very fertile deltas. There are 2 groups of islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are coral islands located in the Arabian Sea, whereas the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Their location and natural surroundings make them attractive tourist destinations.